Alright, so that was a bit of a dance. I had to get that tool cart from under the car. That was basically, the engine was sitting on that tool cart with that piece of wood that's on top. So I had to slowly tilt the engine down, drop the engine a little bit, tilt the engine down, drop the engine a little bit, rinse, repeat like, I don't know, 20 times. And now it's at a point where I think the transmission jack might be able to jack up the car. I mean, jack up the transmission high enough so that the transmission can go on the plate. But if not, I can still balance it out some more. The only thing I forgot to do is over here on the rear, it still has that little shifter cradle thing. So I gotta take that off real quick. And then, yeah, see if we can get this puppy in there. So let's do that. Okay, so it's actually a couple hours later, but the transmission is in and it's bolted to the engine. So I'm gonna show you here up top, and then on the bottom, as you can see over here, everything's bolted up. The only thing left to do is put the cross member, that's this guy, get it in there, bolt it on, and pretty much call it a day for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. What can I say? It's in. Alright, so here it is. The CD009 is finally sitting where it's supposed to. I drilled these guys out. Goes on the frame rail through here, and then a stud and nut there. I still gotta tighten these more, but you know, you guys can see the difference. And yeah, the kit also comes with some little spacers here, so you can not lower it, but make it a little higher if needed, so you can align the drive shaft. So that's pretty nice. For now, it's like that. I still gotta order the drive shaft and connect it here. I'll show you guys the shifter location of this guy. This guy basically gets taken off and the new shifter takes care of it. I'll show you when I'm up there. But yeah, so there it is. It's bolted onto the engine over here on all the points needed. It's all there, man. I'm very happy with this kit. I gotta tighten a couple bolts, but it's no biggie. But yeah, this guy's finally in. Let me show you up there so you can see these guys in the shifter location. Alright, so there you can see basically the shifter is going to come up and in, so there's going to be no cutting of here. That's great. And then on this side, this is what it looks like. Carpet will cover it, no one will see it. It doesn't stick out that much anyways. And yeah, so that's gonna do it for this episode. I'm very happy with the results. Now that the tranny is in, I can put the vehicle back on the ground. I can start working on a bunch of other stuff that needs to be taken care of on this car. So full speed ahead with everything. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.